Hey there, landlords and property managers. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that can be pretty daunting: evictions. Not the most fun subject, but it's an essential part of the job that we all need to understand and handle properly. Before we dive into the eviction process itself, let's talk about tenant rights. As landlords and property managers, we have a responsibility to respect the legal safeguards and protections in place for tenants. It's all about striking that delicate balance between our rights as property owners and the rights of our tenants. Now, when it comes to evictions, we need to make sure we have a solid legal foundation. That means thoroughly reviewing lease agreements and understanding the specific violations that could warrant an eviction. But it doesn't stop there. We also need to be fully compliant with the local eviction laws in our area. Trust me, navigating these legal waters can be tricky, but it's crucial to avoid any legal complications down the line. But beyond just the legal aspects, we need to consider the ethical side of evictions. This is where we really need to strike that balance between our rights and our moral responsibilities. Effective communication with tenants is key. We want to foster empathy and understanding throughout the process. Providing resources and support can go a long way in demonstrating our commitment to ethical practices. Okay, let's walk through the actual steps of the eviction process. First up, we need to serve proper notice to the tenants, informing them of the eviction proceedings and the reasons behind it. If necessary, we'll then file the eviction lawsuit with the appropriate court, formally initiating the legal process. And don't forget, having legal professionals on your side can be a game changer when it comes to navigating the complexities of eviction proceedings. Now, we all know that not every eviction case is cut and dry. Sometimes, we're dealing with tenants facing financial difficulties, disabilities, or personal crises. In these situations, we need to approach things with empathy and flexibility. Whenever possible, we should explore alternatives to eviction and work with social service agencies or community organizations to provide additional support. Throughout the eviction process, effective communication is absolutely essential. It's not just a legal requirement, but an ethical necessity to communicate clearly and transparently with our tenants. Setting clear expectations from the start and documenting all communications can go a long way in establishing transparency and accountability. But our job doesn't end with the eviction itself. We need to handle property cleanup and restoration to get the unit ready for new tenants. And let's not forget about managing any remaining tenant concerns with empathy and professionalism. It's all about making that transition as smooth as possible. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at surviving evictions as a landlord or property manager. Remember, it's all about striking that balance between legal compliance, ethical considerations, and effective property management strategies. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by the eviction process, don't worry, that's where the experts at Green Ocean Property Management come in. Their team is dedicated to guiding you through every step, ensuring compliance and fair treatment for all parties involved. So don't go it alone. Reach out to Green Ocean Property Management today and let them be your trusted partner in navigating evictions with professionalism and expertise. That's all for now, but be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on thriving in the world of property management. Until next time, take care.